how to make a origami claw. So this is how it will look like. Like this is your finishing product, and this is how it will look like when you have your finger on. So materials. All you need is paper. You don't need any tape or glue. No cheating materials. All you need is a paper to fold and craft, and it can be any type of paper. Like right now, I'm using an old paper. Like an old paper that I don't need. It's like you can use the other side, but then it will show the writing on your finishing product, just like it showed over here. That's why you should always start from on this side, not on this side. Okay? So first thing first, you fold the paper like this. Okay? Just how you do to make a square. So you fold the paper like this. Just how you do to make a square, like you know how you cut it, and then it's gonna be like that, and then it's like a square. But you shouldn't cut it. I'm just saying. Okay? Then from this corner, you come to this corner. So you attach these both. So you go like that. You try to fold it like this. Then you look on this side, and then you fold it just like we did to make like the first step. The same thing, but you shouldn't fold it so much. You should just like fold it from its distance. Like you shouldn't be like that. It should just be close, near where it can be. And you shouldn't try to attach them like this. You should keep this a distance, this much. Then what you do, you fold this half to there, like this. So then you be like that. Then what you do is you fold this corner to the other side, like that, like this, like that. Then you open it once again, so now you can see the half line that we did. And then from this corner, not from this corner, but like from the middle of it, you should try to keep like you should fold it to the half line. So the paper looks like this. So so there should be a little gap like this, and then the paper should be like this. Okay? Understand? And then you do the same thing again. You roll again, and then you roll once again. So you roll it 3 times. So then it'll look like this. Then you have this one, but you also have this place. So what you do, you go like this. Then you fold it. You fold it till this line that you can see. So you fold like that. Then from there you can see how much you need to put inside this place. So then what you do, you just go and you take this out, and then you just put this inside. Okay? So then when that's done, this is inside, and then we need to like straighten up this bit. So this is where we put our fingers in. So we need to straighten them up so you can have the right size for your finger and make it nice. And then when you're comfortable, you just put it on, and then that's how you make the claw. Thanks for listening.